iVogue.com. Welcome to my Saint-Tropez shoot.
We were collaborating with the amazing Kate Moss, and she's going to be the face and the body of the brand. She's such a great beauty icon. She's globally respected, she's globally known, so it's a great collaboration together, and it's really exciting to work with Kate.
Saint-Tropez is a trustworthy brand, people know it, and it's a natural looking tan. That's what people want, they don't want something orange. And it is really easy to apply yourself.
Kate looks great. I think the onus is on glamour, but with a natural sort of vibe.
When I've got a tan, it definitely helps with your confidence. You just feel better. Every day you look in the mirror and you're like, oh, I look quite healthy. I feel terrible, but I look great.
The story with the makeup is healthy, wealthy skin. Think poolside glamour, which Kate does very well.
Saint-Tropez do it so well now that it do look natural. You don't have to have that fear about going streaky and not being able to get it off. I love everything about summer. Can't wait for summer to come. I love hanging out in my garden and not having to put layers and layers of clothes on and swimming in the sea. I'm never naked without Saint-Tropez.